How to get Instagram on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Instagram on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up a web browser and simply search for Instagram. And after you search for Instagram, simply type in download as well. So after you type in Instagram download for PC, you will see Instagram's download options. So here you can see Instagram's download option available on Microsoft. So you can head over to there from the website, or you can also simply open up your Microsoft Store. So I'll just open up a Microsoft Store since it's available there. So open up your Microsoft Store and search for Instagram from there as well. So you can download it from your browser or you can simply download it from the store. It's completely up to you. So let your store load and after that simply search for Instagram. So there we go, Instagram app. And all you now have to do is tap on the install button that will be right here and then you can open it up. And that's basically how you can download Instagram on your Windows device. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.